subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Mi Note 10 and Mi Note 10 Pro, the company has now launched the lower variant of this series as Mi Note 10 Lite. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite supports a 6.47-inch Full HD Plus 3D Curve AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, including the back panel. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. The device packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Mi Note 10 Lite features a vertically aligned quad camera setup on the rear, including quad LED flash. The quad-ray camera includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad-ray cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, there is 16MP selfie camera under the water drop notch with f2.48 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 11 skin on the top. The device comes equipped by a large 5260 mAh battery that supports 30 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 157.8 by 74.2 by 9.67mm and it weighs around 204 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite has been priced for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at €349, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at €399, and unfortunately, the pricing details for 8GB RAM variant is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone will go on sale globally starting from mid-May, and it will come in Midnight Black, Glacier White, and Nebula Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.